Cooking verbs with sentences. Sift. For example, you have to sift the flour well before adding it to the mixture. Chop. For example, can you chop the carrots, please? Squeeze. Squeeze the lemon and add it to the chicken. Peel. First, we have to peel the potato and then add it to the Spanish omelette. Pinch. This food is tasteless. I should add a pinch of salt to it. Bake. For example, let's bake a cake for Mom's birthday. Grate. For example, sprinkle the top of the dish with some grated cheese. Knead. For example, add the water and knead the mixture well. Break. For example, she is breaking an egg into a bowl. Melt. Put the butter in the fridge. It is melting. Roll out. For example, roll out the dough into a rectangle. Spread. Please spread some butter on this slice of bread. Fry. She's frying fish for dinner. Drain. It's time to drain the pasta and add it to the sauce. Pour. Don't pour hot water in the glass. It will crack. Mix. For example, mix the flour with some eggs. Mash. They are mashing the potatoes. Boil. Boil the eggs and add a pinch of salt to it. Steam. I'm going to steam some vegetables for lunch. Slice. Would you like another slice of pizza? Sauté. Sauté the onion for 2 minutes. Grill. Grill the fish for 5 minutes on each side. Roast. For example, I told him to roast the beef. Blend. Blend all the ingredients together. Add. I like to add some sugar to my tea. Burn. For example, he kept talking to me and I burned the chicken. Hope you find it useful. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel and share with your friends. Tap the links in the description for more videos.